How to check iPhone 8 Plus charging speed. In this video, I'll show you how to check and make sure fast charging is working. First, open the Settings app and tap Battery. Then select Battery Health and Charging. Here, make sure your battery health is in good condition. If the battery health is very low, your iPhone may not charge as efficiently as before. Next, connect your charger. If your iPhone starts charging immediately without showing any warning messages, that's a good sign your charger is working properly. Now, here's something important. The iPhone doesn't display charging speed or charging watts anywhere in iOS, so you can't directly check whether it's charging at 5 watts, 12 watts, or 18 watts from the Settings app. To get the fastest charging speed on an iPhone 8 Plus, you should use an Apple or USB Power Delivery USB PD compatible charger with at least 18 watts and a USB-C to Lightning cable. If you're using an older 5-watt charger, your iPhone will charge much more slowly. And that's how you can make sure your iPhone 8 Plus is charging as fast as possible. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.